presented during the spring program time frame, and you all have your wonderful keepsakes of all the children participated in that from kindergarten through third. And that was a time for them to definitely be inspired to write with clarity, precision, and independence, which you all know is something that we work on as meeting our mission here at Challenger in our curriculum. So I hope you enjoy your keepsakes. Save them. I've saved all of my children, and they're wonderful to go back and read. All right, so with our young authors, as I mentioned, it's kindergarten all the way through third, and they were individual class ones, not across the grade level. So in kindergarten in room 201, we had a bronze winner, Kashfi. Our silver winner was Harshini. And our gold winner was Chaya. In room 202 for kindergarten, our bronze winner was Dax. Our silver winner was Siddharth. And our gold winner was Arsh. For first grade in room 205, we had a tie for bronze. We had Eva Oding. And also a tie with bronze, we had Lauren. Our silver winner was Shreya, and she's not here with us today, but let's give her. Our gold winner was Ashwani. In room 206 for first grade, our bronze winner was Ethan. Our silver winner in room 206 was Eva Beach. And our gold winner was Neha. We're going to work on all that. We're going to have a class. Incorporate into the curriculum. Okay, so super job. Second grade, our bronze winner was Avi.